Hi, Alex Tabrock here. Today we're going to explain how to make a video using PowerPoint. So this is going to be a very meta video. In another video, Tyler explains how to make one using the iPad app Explain Everything. The virtues of PowerPoint is that anything you do in PowerPoint can be recorded and added into your video. So you can do animations, you can shift curves, you can even put a little video within PowerPoint itself to make a video of a video. Explain Everything is a little bit simpler. Explain Everything does allow you to write on the iPad screen. The writing is not very high resolution, but that is one feature of Explain Everything which PowerPoint can do. Tyler mostly uses Explain Everything. I mostly use PowerPoint. Both work really quite well. So let's begin. The first thing what we want to do is to create our slides. So let's add in our title, How to Make a Video Using PowerPoint. Okay, let's look at our next slide. Typical slide is going to have a nice picture on it. Make sure that the picture is copyright cleared. We've found that Photilla is a good source of cheap pictures which allow you extensive rights to use them. You can also look at Wikipedia for Wikipedia Commons for pictures which are in the common domain, which are in the public domain, and use those pictures. It's very important. Anything you can do with PowerPoint you can record, so let's add a little bit of animation. Go up here to the animation slide. Let's add the fly-in animation. Okay, that's just for fun. And what do you do then? Well, now that we've created our slides, let's go to the first slide. We go to Slideshow, the Slideshow tab up here. We're going to record slideshow. Both of these can be clicked. We're going to go to Start Recording, and then we're just going to start talking. Here's our first slide, Development Economics, how to make a video using PowerPoint. Once we've finished discussing our first slide, we press Escape. That will take us back to where we were before. Let's do our second slide. Again, go to Record Slideshow. Start recording from current slide now. Again, start recording. Here's our second slide. Nice picture here. Make sure it's copyright cleared. Now, when I push the down button on the keyboard, our second piece of text is going to fly in, going to use the animation. There it is. Another point to remember, it's a good idea to record slides one at a time. Let's just stop recording this slide. It's a good idea to record slides one at a time. The reason for this is that you're going to make a mistake. And when you make a mistake, you have to re-record everything that you just said. So if you go one slide at a time, you only need to re-record the slide that you were working on. Another reason, that's another reason also to keep what you say per slide down to a minute or 2 or 3 minutes, not much longer than that, because you don't want to make mistakes. And when you get to 3 minutes or 4 minutes, you're going to be making mistakes for sure. Okay, suppose we did make a mistake. Well, then we'd go back to Record Slideshow, except this time we'd start with Clear. We want to clear the timing on the current slide. The timing is when that animation, when that text flies in. We're going to go to Clear again and clear the narration on the current slide, what we said. We're going to go back to Record Show, start recording from current slide, start recording. Here's our second slide. Nice picture here. Push the down button. There we have the fly-in animation. Once again, push Escape when we're done. We're back here. Okay, now we're finished, so we're going to save our PowerPoint. Okay. Then we're going to go down here, File, Save and Send. Save and Send. Here, Create a Video. Here, Create Video. It's going to call it a WMV video. Let's go Save. We already had that. Let's replace it. Yes. And it's going to record the video. Now, something to know, PowerPoint takes a long time to record its videos. It's a pretty computer-intensive task. You can see it's coming along here. I'm going to pause while PowerPoint creates this video. Okay, PowerPoint finished creating the video, so I'm going to minimize this screen. I'm going to open up my files. I'm going to go to where I keep my files. And how to make a video, there it is, how to make a video, WMV. Let's check it out. Here's our first slide, Development Economics, how to make a video using PowerPoint. Once we've finished discussing our first slide, we press Escape. There you go. We made a video. Pretty simple. Anything you can do with PowerPoint, you can actually put it into the video, which makes it really quite powerful. So have fun with this. Thanks very much.